Hi everyone, today we are going to learn Zeugma. But let me define it and after that I'll give examples so you will understand it. The definition is Zeugma is a figure of speech in which a single word is used, usually a verb or adjective, to modify two or more objects in a sentence. I think you are not getting the point. Simply you can say that zeugma is nothing but a figure of speech like simile, metaphor and personification. Simply it means when one word modifies two things in a sentence, that is simply call it zeugma in English literature. Well, let me give you example so you will understand it. The example is she opened the door and her heart to him. You can see the word opened, it modifies two things in this sentence, the door and heart. She opened the door and her heart to him. He was big in personality and size. This is another example. Here the word big describes two things, the personality and size. Simply you can say when one word modifies two things in a sentence, I simply call it zeugma in English literature.